Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a brief overview, some general information, and my first impressions on these indoor and outdoor gardening pruning shears sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. I am big on gardening and I love these shears. Let me tell you what I love about them. So for me, there are a couple of things that are most important anytime I order anything online, and that's the quality of the materials, the quality of the construction, and the quality of use. So what I do is I go through and I make sure that there aren't any problems with it. I look through and I make sure, like these handles, for instance, I want to make sure that the grips are secure on there. I want to make sure that the lock here works properly, right? I want to make sure that everything is the way that it's supposed to be, that I will be able to use this for a good long time. And after a thorough inspection, they are ready for the garden. So let me tell you about some of the features that I really like about them. First off, this lock that keeps it closed is probably one of the best, most secure locks I've ever seen on a pair of pruning shears. The separation between the blade and the base is minimal, which enables me to get the best cut on my plants. And the cutting blade, it comes very sharp right out of the box, but it also has a sharpening stone. Not everybody does that with their shears. It has a very padded and comfortable sponge-like grip. And that's super important for the hard to cut vegetation. One of the things I really like about them is the spring action on the grip itself. It has a little bit of a resistance to it, so you can really feel when you're cutting something. And above all, it has really sturdy construction. I am not a landscaping professional, but if I were a landscaping professional, I absolutely would have a pair of these on board. I believe that they are professional grade. But the biggest question is, well, how do they cut? For me, they did an outstanding job. Whether I was doing something simple like deadheading some hydrangeas, or I'm actually having to go and prune some things like on my loropetalum, they are very good at what they do. I really like the use, I really like the comfort of them, and I really like the way that they help with my plants. And for the price, I think they're an absolute value. If you're looking for a professional grade pruning shear for your home, or if you're a professional landscaper, I highly recommend that you give these a look. Put these on board. They're a keeper for me. Maybe they'll work for you as well.